best Google Pixel 9 Pro cases of 2024. Google unveiled its Pixel 9 Pro a few weeks back, featuring a various significant upgrades as compared to its predecessors. If you're planning to invest your money on a Pixel 9 Pro device, as it would be a major investment and something that you want to protect, you would need to buy a case for your phone to prevent it from scratches. Since choosing a good case can be hectic due to many options available, Data Insider has gathered a list of high-quality Google Pixel 9 Pro cases that offer an enhanced user experience. Caseology Nano Pop. The Caseology Nano Pop is inexpensive and available in 5 color variants, including Black Sesame, Blueberry Navy, Burgundy Bean, Magenta Lychee, and Papaya Gray. It's made of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane and is military protection certified. Caseborne Thinborn. The Caseborne Thinborn case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro only comes in one color, which is carbon fiber matte black. It's made up of material as tough as nails and is very comfortable to hold, making it the perfect option for those long scroll sessions. It's also available for the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. FNT case. The FNT case for Google 9 Pro comes in 6 colors, including clear, clear black, clear magnetic, matte black magnetic, and matte green. The case is made up of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane and features an antioxidant layer for keeping the case clean. It's available for only $10. Google Pixel 9 Pro case. Google's official case for Pixel 9 Pro comes with a good quality and a clean, minimalist look. However, there won't be military-grade drop protection or wireless charging in this option.